Alright, now let's start solving quadratic equations by factoring. Getting started with x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. And we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 5 and add up to 6. So we have an x here, an x there. So we're going to add a 5 and a 1. Because 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So those were the numbers that we were looking for. So x plus 5 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. And what is x going to be then? Well, x is going to be negative 5 or negative 1. Because if I plug in a negative 5 over here, negative 5 plus 5 is 0, and 0 times anything is 0. So negative 5 is a solution. What about x plus 1? Well, if I plug in a negative 1 for x, negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Therefore, negative 1 is also a solution. What about over here? X squared minus 2x plus 35. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to 35 and add up to negative 2. The numbers will be negative 7 and 5. Okay, so actually let me just quickly show another way to just figure out what the answers are going to be. Whenever we make the brackets and we factor everything like this, we can make each individual term equal to 0. So x minus 7 is equal to 0, so we add 7 to both sides of the equation. So x is equal to 7. And over here we can subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. So x is equal to negative 5. So that's it. X is 7 and x is equal to negative 5.